Hi, this is Dr. Ruchi Saxena. I am from India Flying Labs. We use various technologies such as drones, data, and AI for social good applications. We work in agriculture, healthcare, disasters, conservation, and development. We were recently in Nagaland. We were training the officers from State Disaster Management Authority in using data from drones for disasters. One of the exercises that we did there was how to work collaboratively online on a project. We use Indshine to demonstrate them just this. Now imagine if there is a team which is working in the field just after the disasters, collecting the data, making the maps. There could be another team in the back end who can work on the data, annotating it, classifying, and then creating meaningful insights out of it. Indshine helps us do that, and I think they're doing a wonderful job. I wish them all the best. Thank you.